Hello! Today we're going to learn about skip counting. So, what is skip counting? Well, skip counting is counting by a number that is not 1. To skip count, we keep adding the same number each time to the previous number. So, why should we learn how to skip count? Well, learning to skip count helps you to learn how to count more quickly and learn your multiplication tables. Skip counting by 10. Skip counting by 10. Skip counting by 10 is the easiest. It's like normal counting, except there's an extra 0. So you start at 10 and go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. And looking at the 100 squares, we can see that all the way down the right-hand side with the zeros are our counting by 10s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Skip counting by 2. Skip counting by 2. Learning to skip count by 2 means you can count things faster. Do you ever notice when you're going on a school trip or swimming or on a school tour, your teacher counts you by 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's a much quicker way of counting people or counting anything. So looking at our 100 squares, we go up in 2s. So every second one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So you're skipping every second one. When we look at a completed 100 squares for skip counting by 2, there's a very clear pattern. Every second number is highlighted. Now if you know 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, the next line is very similar. You're just adding a 1. So 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. And the following line, it's a 2 that comes first. So 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. So look out for pattern in your maths. And this will really help you when you're learning your times tables. Skip counting by 5. So skip counting by 5 has a nice pattern. So every second number either ends in 5 or a 0. So if you look at the 100 square here, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So there's a very clear pattern for your skip counting by 5. So you can see the pattern here again. So the white ones here ending with the 5s and the zeros in the red. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Do you notice anything else? Skip counting by 10 can be seen too in the red ones. 10, 20, 30, 40. When you've mastered your 10s, 2s and 5s skip counting, you can then move on to your 3s and 4s. And if we look at our 3s here, this is the 3 times tables. There's a beautiful pattern with the 3s. So as I mentioned, it's the 3 times tables you can see. So 3 by 1 is 3, 3 by 2 is 6, 3 by 3 is 9, 3 by 4 is 12, the whole way down. And there's a lovely diagonal pattern there. Now if we look at skip counting by 4, you can see every fourth one is highlighted. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So again, your 4 times tables. Remember, now that you've learned to skip count, you'll be able to count things much faster and learn your multiplication tables. So thank you for listening. Bye for now.